Hi guys, so this is actually one of my favorite scarves. I have several, but I love black and white scarves because they go with everything. So I know if I have a bad hair day, I'm just going to take one of my scarves and it's going to go with my outfit because it's black or white. So it's just going to match with what you're wearing. So I'm just going to teach you how to I'm teaching you and I'm showing you how to do it because some of you might know, but I'm just going to teach you to show you some of the ways that I use the scarves to, hide my embarrassing moments. Like right now, if you meet me outside, you'll meet me with a scarf because my hair is not at its best because I have not found time to make it. I make my own hair, so because I have not found time to make it, we are stuck with scarfing. So without talking much more, I'm going to be showing you. And the first one, I don't fold the scarf. This is the first way. I don't fold it. I just use it the way it is. And in this video, I'm just going to be using the black scarf. So I just take the whole of it. Okay, I just take the left and the right corner and put it over my head, and then I'm just going to take these two corners and tie them inside the scarf at the back. Get what I'm saying? When you tie them at the back like that, you're going to be left with these ponytails, and these ponytails you're going to put them inside. Wait, let's just make this. We're just going to put these ponytails inside the scarf, and then I'm going to pull it on one side, and I'm going to just roll. Is it roll? Just do this. I don't know the word. And then I'm just going to take this, put it over my head, and voila. And then I'm going to and that's one of the styles that I rock when I don't have time to do my hair and I have to run some errands out there. So mostly I take a comb and where English, I just take a comb na nafanya hizi vitu zilale kwa skin yangu. If you understand what I'm saying, please translate down below. The English just left the building. So this is one of the ways. I don't have a comb right now, and that is if your turban has these things. But if it doesn't, and if you don't want to have these things, you just fold it. Let me show you. So instead of just doing it that way, you just fold the scarf like this, and then you're going to just do the same thing, but now without those things. You tie, whoopsies, just tie at the back, and then you twist around. You have to make sure that the ends of the knot are inside the scarf so that they won't be popping out when you're what do you call it, when you're twisting, so that it will be smooth. Okay, and then you just roll it up and you put it inside like that. That's another way, by the way, I rock it. If I don't want the small thing dripping on my face, and then I put on some earrings, comb my eyebrows, put my earrings, lip gloss, we're out. This is another way, but it's kind of the same as the first one, but you get what I'm saying. You don't have those things on your face. And then another way, we are going to take this corner, take this top corner and go to the bottom corner of your opposite hand. So this is my left. I'm going to the bottom of my right and take that. So you have a triangle. You have a triangle like scarf now. Now I'm going to just put this over my head like that. Then I'm just going under. Like that. So if I'm wearing a sleeveless dress, not sleeveless, strap, yeah, strap dress, and I'm not feeling kind of comfortable walking with my shoulders out, I will leave this out like this so that they will help me cover up a little bit. But if I'm just normally wearing normal, you know, just normal, this is one way and then this is another way. But if you rock this way, you have to make sure that you have something. Your earrings have to be big. That's how I do it. If I'm wearing just it, because it's plain here, so my head looks flat, so I love to have something that is making a statement down here. And then I will take this. The other way I do this is I will take this and I'll just make a knot here. Sometimes I just leave them like that. It just looks messy, but if you're wearing something cute, it will look cute. And sometimes I just do that and you know, put this back. Depends. That's another way. Just take the tails and put them back. And another way you can do this is you see, it's different. You crisscross here instead of tying, so that it will hold more and it will bring a bigger, it will make your head bigger. English. Anyway, those are just the ways that I use. Those are just hizo ndizo njia ambazo nafanyanga natengenezanga nazo hizi scarves. Natengenezanga nazo nywele kutumia a square scarf. I also have a bigger scarf that I use. That's a white scarf. If you would love to see more of this content, please give this video 1000 likes. And that's all for the video. See you in my next video, and thank you for enjoying my content. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. In this video, English just imetuamulia, but we're okay. We are doing just fine. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in my next video. If you want to see such kind of content, you can also see other of my content in this channel. And if you like either, comment down below and like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Ciao.